First of all, you should download the original Deepseek AI from Play Store or App Store. Now the point is how to identify which is the original or duplicate Deepseek. See, the original Deepseek is published by Deepseek, okay? It's published by Deepseek and it has 10 million plus downloads, this one. Now just before installing this Deepseek app on your phone, first use it now. Why you should use this Deepseek AI instead of using chatgpt? What makes it different from chatgpt? The main reason is chatgpt gives you information that you want, but this Deepseek AI gives you more information than you want, okay? And now I'm gonna show you how to create your Deepseek account and how to use it. Let's go. First of all, I'm gonna open this. Opening the Deepseek AI, first of all, you will get this interface. You can create your account in two ways. Now, to create your Deepseek account, there is a sign up option at the bottom. So you click on it. First of all, enter your email address here. And now enter a password here. Now enter the same password to confirm it. Now you get to code option here. As soon as you click on send code, a code number will be sent to your Gmail address that you have already entered here. Visit your Gmail address and copy the code and paste here. And after pasting the code numbers, just take this confirmation option like this. As soon as you click on sign up, your account will be created, okay? And sometimes if this process doesn't work, if you don't get any code number on your Gmail address, then there is another way to create your account. Just go back. Now to create your Deepseek account in the second method, just look at the bottom. Here is a sign in with Google. Just click on it. Now a terms and policies pop-up menu will be shown up. Just click on agree. Now all the Gmail accounts that you are signing on your phone will be displayed here. Just select the respective Gmail account that you want to create your account with, okay? Just click on agree and share. Now my Deepseek account has been created and I'm directly logging here. Now the question is how to use this Deepseek. Now look at the bottom, you get two options here. First of all, you should select this deep thing R1 like this. And now whatever you search here, you get your information. For example, I'm searching here, what's the biggest country in the world? After writing your queries, just click on this up arrow icon. Now you get your answer. So this is the basic thing that you can do with this Deepseek AI. Next, what can you do with this? See, at the right side there is a plus icon. Just click there. At the bottom you'll get three options here. Photo OCR, image OCR, and document. So with the help of middle option, you can extract the text from any photo. You can copy the text from any photo. I'm gonna show you how can you do this. For example, this is a picture, and now if you want to copy this text from this picture, you can easily do this by the help of Deepseek AI. So now I'm gonna show you how can you do this. Go back, and the right side click on this plus icon. Now click on the middle icon, image OCR. It will be redirected to your phone gallery. Just select the picture that you want to copy the text from, and now at the bottom click on add. Now the image has been uploaded here. Now you should give your prompt here. Extract the text from the above picture. Now click on the up arrow button. Now wait for a few seconds. So this is the text that Deepseek has extracted from that picture. So this is how you can use this Deepseek AI. And if any updates come to this Deepseek AI to do more things like this, I'll be updating here in this channel. So see you soon in the next video with another amazing content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.